now we will discuss about A star search. It is very important for exam. Without this question, they won't give question paper. Okay, A star search. What is A star search? A star search is informed search strategy. Okay, it is a widely used best first search strategy. It combines two value to evaluate nodes. That is, f of n is equals to g of n plus h of n. G of n is the actual cost from the start node to the current node. Okay, h of n is the estimated cost from n to the goal. That is heuristic value. Okay, f of n is the estimated total cost of the cheapest solution passing through n. I will explain during examples. Okay, how does it work? Means first we select node selection. A star expands the node with the smallest f of n. Okay, this ensures that algorithm balance exploring promising paths and minimizing the total cost algorithms. It works, but it uses the g of n plus h of n instead of just g of n. In greedy best first search, what will happen is there will be conditions as f of n is equals to h of n. No, in this we have that f of n is equals to g of n plus h of n. In that, in any nodes, if we get the smallest value, we'll take that node and then we will explore their neighbors nodes. Okay, these are the how it works. Then the key features of A star is it combines the benefits of uniform cost search and greedy best first search. It finds the optimal solution when conditions of admissibility and consistency are met. These are the conditions of optimality of A star, that are admissibility and consistency. Advantages are optimal and complete with an admissible and consistent heuristic. This balance cost so far is g of n and the future estimate h of n. Disadvantages, it can consume a large amount of memory as it keeps all the generated nodes in memory. Okay, it consumes lots of memory storage there. We'll see example. In example, they will give the heuristic values. Okay, and then this one graph they will be given. In this graph, let us assume that S is the initial node and G is the goal node. Okay. Solution is conditions for optimality of A star. This conditions we should write. That is h of n. What h of n? It is heuristic node, that is admissible. And this function we will write, that is g of n plus h of n. Never overestimate the true cost. Then h of n consistent. This is the conditions. Okay, then from graph what and all given, S is a source node and G is a goal node and remaining nodes are intermediate. Those are A, B, C, D are intermediate and these are the G of n. Okay, from S to A, what is the distance? That is the G of n, estimated cost. We read no here. What is G of n? The actual cost from start node to the current node. Remember this, start node where we initial node to current node. You should remember this. Means we should add the above nodes also. I'll explain you in example C. Okay, first we'll write this as, that is starting node. Then starting node which explores what? A and G. We found your goal node, but one is there. See, after reaching A and G, we should write this function. What is that function? Is f of n is equals to g of n plus h of n. Instead of n, we will write as A because we are exploring S to A and then S to G. So we will write that g of A is what from S to A, that is 1 plus. Okay, 1 plus h of A. This is the value of h of A, that is 3. Okay, in exam also they will give this table. Don't worry about heuristic values. Okay, h of A is what? 3. Then 1 plus 3 will get 4. This side for a G node, same, f of G is equals to g of G plus h of G. G of G means from S to G, that is 10. Okay, 10 plus goal node will be having the 0 heuristic value. So we will write 0 and if we add 10 plus 0, we will get 10. Now you should check the f of A and f of G. We got f of A is lowest value, so we will explore A next. Even if it is a goal node, if it is more cost means we should ignore it. Okay, then lowest value A, then we will explore A. If we explore A, what we will get? B and neighbor nodes of A, B and C. Now we will find out the f of B and then f of C. F of B is equals to g of B plus h of B. Now to find the g of B, you should come from starting node, means S to A to B, how much it is. Like you should add it. 1 plus 2 will 3. Then f of g of B will be 3. Okay, like this you should do. Then to find the g of C, it should be like 1 plus 1, that is 2. Okay, here 2. Then h of B is what? They gave 4. Then 3 plus 4, it will be 7. This side heuristic value of C they gave 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Now if you compare f of B and f of C, f of C, which is the lowest value, f of C, no, then we will explore the C next. Next we will explore from C to D and then C to G. Now we should find out the f of D and f of G. Okay, from C, f of D. To find f of D, we should know value of g of D and h of D. G of D we will find means from starting node 1, then A to C, that is 1, then C to D, that is 3. 1 plus 1 plus 3, that is 5. G of D is 5 plus heuristic value of D is 6. Okay, you will write here 6, then you will add 5 plus 6, you will get 11. Now this side, f of g, you should find the g of g, that is like you should cross s to a, 1 plus 1 plus c to g, that is 4. What will be, you will get value as 6. Now you got the minimum cost. Okay, so the path is s to a to c, and then c to g. This is the best path to find the goal node. Then one more question they might ask for 8 puzzle problem to find out the A star search. Okay, this is 8 puzzle problem. In this we'll have the 3x3 grid. Okay, one is for initial state and another one is final state. Initial state will be like missed number, like misorder, and then in final state we'll have the proper order. Okay, proper order of numbers. We should make initial state same as final state. Same process using A star only. First we will take the function. What is the function? F of n is equals to g of n plus h of n. You know now how to find this is c. G of n is depth of node and h of n is number of misplaced tiles. In this problem we should take as g of n is depth of node, means level. You should take levels. Okay, in which level what will happen. Here h of n is number of misplaced tiles. Each row or each one box will called as tiles in this problem. Now we will take initial state. Let it be, this is the initial state. This will be in level 0, so g will be 0. Then h is what, how many misplaced. You should check. Okay, final state and initial state, which and all are misplaced. See, only what this 5, 4, 3 and then 7 are in same position, or like 1, 2, 8, 6. These are misplaced, so number of misplaced, that is h of n. In this 4 will be there. F of is equals to, will get 4. Then again we will explore it. Okay, why this 3 boxes became is like 3 times we can move this 6. Okay, from above to down, like 5 to this left side and then right side. So 3 boxes will come. Then it will be in this, g value will be 1. Okay, g value will be 1 because it is first level. This is what we did is 0th level, this is first level, so g value will be 1. So in this box what we are doing is here the value will be 5. Okay, I forgot to write, this value will be 5. This 7 is there, no, 7 will be pushed right side. There are 3 possibilities will be there. Okay, 7 we can push right side and 6 can be push front, like 5 can push left. Okay, in this box we push it 7 to right. In this also misplaced tiles will be 5. Okay, let's check which and all are misplaced. See, 2 is misplaced and 1 is also misplaced, 7 is also misplaced, 8 is also misplaced and 6 is also misplaced. Total number of misplaced tiles are 5, so h value will be 5. If you add both g and h, you will get 6 here. Okay, this box is done now. Then we will go for this box. Now in this box we will move 6 below. Okay, if we move 6 below, h value will misplaced tiles will be 3. Again, if you want to check, you can check. What will happen here? 2 is misplaced and 2 is misplaced, 8 is also misplaced, 1 is also misplaced. That's all, no? So your h value will be 3. If we add both, we'll get 4. F will be 4. And now if you push this 5 to left, then this box will become like this, and g value will be same 1, and misplaced, that h value misplaced of tiles will be 5. Those are what, 2, then 8, 1, 6, 5. Okay, if we had, we will get 6. In this all 3, f value lowest one is this box, so we will explore again this box, this grid. Okay, now g value will become 2 for all this level because it is in second level. Okay, again same. See, in this box what and all are possible. 1 can be pushed left side, 1 can be pushed right side, and 4 can be pushed left side, and this 6 can be pushed upward. Okay, these are the chances, so we can write. Then you see, if you push 1 to right, this is a possible, and in this misplaced tiles will be 3. Okay, and then 2 plus 3 will be 5. And this box, the second one, what we did is 8 is pushed downward, so h value will be 3 again, so same f value will be 5. After pushing 4 to left side, the misplaced tiles will become, number of misplaced tiles will become 4, and then we will get f value is 6. In this two blocks also there are 5 is the f value, so we'll explore both. Okay, in this box we can again have the 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, see in this, like you should see like final state and you should do. Okay, in this G value will be same, that is 2, in misplaced it will be 3 tiles, so if you add we'll get 5. We did know that. Then again this we should come, we can change, we can push it down. Okay, 2 can be pushed down, and then 7 can be pushed up. Okay, if you put 1 back here then it will become same, so we are not doing here. Okay, now H value will be 4 here, so F of value will be 7, and here H value will be 4, and if we add both we will get 7, same. Again if we do here, what are all the chances are there? Means 2 we can push right side and 3 can be put up, like 3 can be put left side. If we do this, then the H value will be 2 and the F value will be 5, because 3 plus 2 that is 5. Your G value also will be same. In this also what will happen, 3 will be pushed left side. Okay, H value will be 4 and F value will be 7. In the third level what will happen is the lowest F value is 5, so we will explore this table. Okay, then what are the chances are there? Means 1 can push upward and that's all. Okay, 2 can be pushed left side. We'll do only 1 upward. Okay, then G, which level? That is 4th level, so G will be 4, and then only 1 is the misplaced tile, and we'll get F is 5. So we will get the final state. Again if we do this, we'll get the final state. Again one more steps are there, so 8 can be pushed left side. If we push the left side, then this will become the final state. Okay, again if we push 7 to upward, means we will get different. Like this we should do. I hope you guys understood. Thank you guys.